Dubai has fascinated the world with its architecture, beaches, and larger-than-life attractions. With its record-breaking achievements, extravagant projects, remarkable developments, it's no wonder Dubai is called the city of superlatives. But have you ever wondered what it truly costs to experience this oasis of luxury for an entire week? Well, in today's episode, we're gonna unravel the mysteries of the price tags that come with a week in Dubai. Prepare to be inspired, informed, and maybe even surprised by what this dazzling city has in store for you. Let's dive deep. Dubai hotels. Imagine waking up in a luxurious hotel that offers views of the glittering cityscape, indulging in food at restaurants that are considered to be among the best in the world, and taking part in fun experiences that make you feel alive. Doesn't that sound incredible? Now, obviously, each of these experiences come with a cost, and we're gonna break them down for you shortly. But first, it should come as no surprise that Dubai's hotels live up to the city's reputation for lavish living. Every kind of tourist may find something to their liking in Dubai, from accommodations that are easy on the wallet to wildly expensive resorts. The landmark Burj Al Arab, which rises to a height of 321 meters, is a hotel that caters to guests searching for a stylish place to stay. This hotel is well known for the luxurious atmosphere it provides in addition to the excellent service it provides. There is also the possibility of staying at Atlantis the Palm, which is situated on the artificial island of Palm Jumeirah. It provides amenities of a world-class standard such as an aquarium and a water park, in addition to having breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf. There are many different alternatives accessible to you, even if you are traveling on a tight budget. In addition to its convenient location in the heart of Dubai, the Holiday Inn Express Dubai Safa Park features rooms that are both pleasant and reasonably priced. One thing is certain, no matter where you choose to stay in Dubai, you are sure to receive world-class hospitality that will make you feel pampered for the entirety of your trip. Dubai meals. Let's move to the next topic, which is food. Dining in Dubai is accessible to people of all taste and budgets thanks to the city's diverse selection of restaurants. It doesn't matter what kind of dining experience you're looking for. Dubai offers it all and doesn't disappoint. If you're on a tight budget but still want to get a taste of genuine Emirati cuisine, you could go to one of the local marketplaces or souks and try some of the great street food that's sold there. Maybe for breakfast, you could try some shawarma, falafel sandwiches, or manouche. Dubai is home to some of the most well-known chefs in the world, and many of them have set up shop in the city's countless restaurants, making it an excellent destination for those interested in fine dining. At Burj Al Arab, or Atmosphere, which are located on the 122nd story of the Burj Khalifa, the highest structure in the world, you can indulge in gourmet meals while taking in breathtaking vistas. In addition, there is an abundant selection of cuisines from across the world, such as Italian, Japanese, and Indian food in Dubai. This city is filled to the brim with restaurants that have been awarded a Michelin star and provide mouth-watering cuisine from all over the world. These restaurants can be found in every neighborhood. When it comes to eating options, Dubai is home to a virtually infinite number of establishments. During your stay, don't be afraid to experiment with new flavors and try out something completely different. You might just stumble upon a special sauce or dish that totally surprises you. One-of-a-kind attractions. Dubai is not only a city for shopping, luxury hotels, and skyscrapers. It's also home to some of the world's most unique attractions that you won't find anywhere else. One of these attractions is the Dubai Miracle Garden, which boasts over 45 million flowers in various shapes and colors arranged into stunning patterns and designs. The garden is open from November to May every year, making it an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll or photo shoot. Another must-visit attraction in Dubai is the Burj Khalifa, as we mentioned earlier, the tallest building in the world, standing at 828 meters high. Visitors can take an elevator up to one of its observation decks located on levels 124 and 148 for magnificent panoramic views of Dubai's skyline. For those seeking adventure, Ski Dubai offers visitors an indoor ski slope complete with real snow all all year round. You can choose from several activities such as skiing, snowboarding, or simply playing around in the snow. These are just a few examples highlighting why Dubai deserves its reputation as being one of the most exciting destinations in terms of unique attractions that will leave you amazed. Theme parks. Dubai is also known for its extravagant theme parks that offer thrilling rides and entertainment for all ages. If you're looking for an experience that's truly out of this world, head down to IMG Worlds of Adventure, a theme park so big it has 4 zones packed with rides, based on popular heroes and cartoon characters like Spider-Man and the Avengers. And why stop there, when you can tap into one of the most popular attractions, Dubai Parks and Resorts, which houses 3 different additional theme parks: Motion Gate Dubai, Bollywood Parks Dubai, and Legoland Dubai. Motion Gate Dubai brings Hollywood's biggest blockbusters to life through its immersive rides based on movies like Shrek, Kung Fu Panda, and Ghostbusters. Meanwhile, Bollywood Park celebrates India's famous film industry with live performances, themed dining experiences, and exciting rides such as Dawn: The Chase. For families with young children, Legoland offers a range of interactive activities that encourage creativity and learning through play. The park features over 40 Lego-themed rides as well as a water park for some splashy fun in the sun. And if you're looking to beat the heat while still enjoying thrilling attractions indoors during summer months or hot days when it's impossible to be outside without sweating buckets, there are several indoor amusement options, one of which being VR Park at the Dubai Mall. As you can tell, there's no shortage of wonders and excitement in this city. Tom Cruise. Dubai is famous for its luxury lifestyle, and celebrities are no exception to this. One of the most notable celebrity sightings in Dubai is none other than the Hollywood A-lister Tom Cruise. Fans have been known to flock to Dubai just for a chance encounter with their favorite actor. Cruise has been spotted around town at various hotspots such as high-end restaurants and bars. He's also known for his love of adventure sports and has even taken part in skydiving over Palm Jumeirah Island. But it's not all fun and games for Cruise in Dubai. The Mission Impossible stars also use the city as a filming location for some of his films, including Ghost Protocol and Fallout. His presence in Dubai helps boost tourism and puts the city on the map as a prime destination for film production. Whether he's relaxing on a yacht or taking on death-defying stunts, Tom adds an extra layer of excitement to an already thrilling city like Dubai. The average price. When it comes to budgeting for a trip, knowing the average price of things can be incredibly helpful. In Dubai, costs can vary widely depending on your preferences and priorities. First, let's talk about accommodation. The average cost of a hotel in Dubai is around $100 to $250 per night for a mid-range option. If you're looking for something more state-of-the-art, prices can easily reach into the thousands per night, with vacation rentals costing about $210 to $530 per night. Meals are another expense to consider. While street food options are available for as little as $5 to $10 per meal, dining at high-end restaurants can cost upwards of $100 per person. It's all about finding the right balance between indulging in local cuisine and sticking to your budget. With attractions, entry fees for many popular tourist spots like the Burj Khalifa or indoor ski resort Ski Dubai can range from $20 to $50 per person. However, there are also plenty of free activities such as visiting public beaches or exploring traditional souks, which are markets. Transportation costs should also be factored in. Taxis and rideshare services like Uber or Careem typically start at around $2 to $3, plus additional mileage fees. As a whole, the average price of a one-week trip to Dubai can cost anywhere from $1,498 for a solo traveler, $2,690 for a couple, and $5,044 for a family of 4. But even then, with these estimates, it's still possible to have an amazing week in Dubai without breaking the bank if you plan ahead and prioritize where you want to spend your money. If you're considering a trip to Dubai, it's imperative to plan and budget accordingly. Research the best deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. Take advantage of off-peak seasons and promotions to make the most of your budget, while still enjoying everything this majestic city has to offer. Now it's your time to shine. Have you ever visited Dubai or dreamt of experiencing its super luxurious offerings? We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, travel tips, and bucket list items in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and create a community where we can soak up each other's cultural experiences. Thanks for spending some time with us today, and we'll see you in the next one.